Hey everyone, today we're at Woolworths in Cooma.
Mate, do you want to come in the back? Do you want to come in the back? Do you want to come in? Like, we don't mind doing it like this. That's okay, alright.
I've actually never been to a Woolworths walk-in refrigerator before.
Yeah.
This is the first time, I guess. Whoa.
This one's actually got a bit of a leak, mate. You know anything about it?
Yeah. I've learned a lot about evaporators from people fixing them.
Yeah, okay.
So basically, these are actually Buffalo Tridents. It says it's like their name tag.
We just get in there and work.
Yeah.
We just know they're cold.
Like I did videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
As long as that's alright with you. Because I'll give you guys the credit, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Like, shout out to Woolworths Cooma for allowing me to come in here and film these evaporators. That's what they call them.
Oh, okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.